How to fix Bluetooth not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. Now after doing this, it will refresh the Bluetooth settings, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. But after this, if you are still facing the issue while using Bluetooth, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now in apps, again tap on this apps option. Now click on this three dot more option on the top right corner, and then tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth. Now open the Bluetooth app, go to its storage, and then clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after this the Bluetooth will start working. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issue. But somehow if you are still facing the issue of Bluetooth not working after restarting, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your network settings, including your SIM settings, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. And after resetting the network settings, the Bluetooth will start working properly. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.